Hello guys, ako ay magsusundo na naman sa aking Junakis. Update sa aming lugar after 2 weeks nung makapalang snow. Ito na siya ngayon. Lusaw-lusaw. Teka lang, saan ako dadaan? Madulas eh. Baka ako'y sumemplang dito. Dahan-dahan mga mishi. Yan. Ito na yung lugar na makapalang snow. Yan. Nalusaw na. May mga pachi-pachi pa rin na mga snow. Pero wala na yung gabundok na snow. Yan. Tapos yung mga bench. Yan. Bitaw na siya. Hindi na siya natabunan. Lusaw. Ayan na siya. Hangin. Kaya malamig. Hindi madulas ito. Para ayaw kong dumaan dito. Madulas to eh. Dito ako sa gilid. Kasi madulas yun sa gitna. Kaya dito lang ako sa gilid. Ayun, madulas na naman sa unahan ako. Sabla yata ang daan ko. Dito nga ako dadaan sa kabila. Kasi madulas yun. Ayokong dumaan doon. Takot ako sa memplang. Ito, madulas to. Ito. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ito din ang mahirap kapag ano yun, naglulusaw na eh. Madulas. Hello po. Ayos lang po. Pagsusundo.
Oo, dyan lang mag-say Mark.
Opo. Ito yung hagdan na laging tinatalunan ni Riniel. At ito yung gabundok na snow na inaakitan niya. Malapit ako sa school. Di ba? Ang bilis lang. Malapit lang ang school. Dito ako dadaan sa gilid. Kasi yung gitna banda ay madulas. Lakas ang hangin. Hoopsie. Ayan na yung ibang estudyante. Dito ako tatawid kasi madulas doon. Oh. Ay. Dahan-dahan ako. Ito yung isang section ng pre-K. Sila rin yun. Yung section nila rin yun. Andun sa likod. So, pupunta ako dun sa likod. Kasi andun sila. Playground. Yan, may mga sumundo na. Ito yung dinadaanan ko. Wala na yung snow. Clear na yung daan. Naku, yun yung anak ko nag-e-enjoy pa. Ayun. Dagat pa ng snow dito. Pero matigas na to. Yan o, hindi na siya. Hindi na lumulubog yung paa ko. Matigas na siya. Hi! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye, teacher! Huh? What happened? Okay. Do you want to swing?
Yes.
Okay, let's... Ito na si Riniel. Gusto pa daw niya mag-swing. Kasi nung nakaraan, mag-swing siya dapat dito sa pula na swing. Kaso may bata. Kaya hindi siya nakasakay. Dito lang siya sa kabila yan. So, dito siya mag-swing ngayon. Mommy will fix you. Ayan siya. Ha? 1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
Do you
like it?
I think we got you.
Ba't ka nakapikit? Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, go!
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as
What?
bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms,
You can do
boy.
it, my love. See? You're a big girl.
It's you and me on this beautiful day.
Okay? Good job.
And
See? I told you, you can do it.
holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright. It's like
Good job.
love has
In the
gotten
next.
to me.
Hindi nag-aaral ng malamig. nasanay na.
Baby, baby, now I know.
Hmm?
Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to
Where'd you
give.
go? Oh.
Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah.
I think we're going
Boy,
home.
the one to show me
Where
now
you
and
going?
forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
And then?
All day, oh yeah, all day.
You're going out?
Please stay in my
Me too?
arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together.
Naka-winter
It
suit
don't
pa yan.
matter if it
Naka-ski
rains.
pants,
All
pero-
day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in
Oh,
my
this might be
arms,
scared.
boy. Don't worry about
Are we going to fly
tomorrow.
together?
For now,
Can you wait for me?
you're everything
Wait.
in my day.
Okay,
I
one.
love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're
Yeah.
everything in my day. I love the way you know my
Oh, it's an
heart.
apple.
Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Hi. Now we are going home na. Say hi. You wave. Nabitin siya. Huh? You want to pick the snow? Oh. You want to pick? Huh? Oh, come here na. Be careful ha, no jumping. Oh, lubog ka na. Malambot na eh. Lumulubog na yung paa niya. Oh. Okay, go down. Be careful. Careful. Good job. Oh, you're not gonna carry it? Let's see. There's a small one. Oh. Dito kami nadaan sa kabila kasi masyadong madulas doon sa dinadaanan namin palagi.
Means no pia, Dad. No pia, no pia.
Kasi nilalagyan ng buhangin o grama para hindi masyadong madulas. Ano ko? Dami sinasabi. But that playground is so slippery. It's not safe to play in the playground.
But the playground is not cheaper.
It is.
I hold my teacher's hand.
Really? Teacher. Yan.
I watch the snow.
And then,
Hold my hand.
oh, can you show me your snow? Here, oh, ayan, oh. Oh, thank you. Sa tampak ko. Yung mami saan? It's so muddy. Oh, no. Ano na siya sa lasaw pastilan?
So muddy.
No.
Please.
No. Is it big?
No.
Not so. Not so big. We are here na. We are here na. You say we are here na.
Actually, we have a new
You have a new?
home. It's not yet, Dad.
So you show me your snow. Show me your snow. Yeah, okay, you throw it na.
Okay.
Good job.